Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If you were trying to download a file in Google Chrome on your Android device and it fails with a forbidden error, it means the server hosting the file is actively blocking your permission to access it. I will show you exactly how to bypass the security block right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for a forbidden error is that your login session expired or the download link simply timed out. Many secure websites use temporary, one-time links that automatically expire after a few minutes to prevent link sharing. Instead of trying to resume the failed file from your browser's download manager, you need to navigate completely back to the original website, refresh the page, ensure you are still logged into your account if the site requires it, and click the original download button again to generate a brand new, authorized link. Next, if the new link still fails, your network traffic might be getting flagged as suspicious. File hosting servers will often block known IP addresses from virtual private networks, proxies, or network-level ad blockers to prevent bot abuse. Swipe down from the top of your screen to check your notification panel. If you have an app like a VPN or a private DNS active, temporarily pause or disconnect it. Open Chrome. Try the download again over your standard cellular or Wi-Fi network, and it should process smoothly without the security block. Finally, corrupted browser cookies can prevent a website from recognizing your login credentials, leading to a permanent forbidden status, even if you are logged in. Open Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings, then tap on Data Stored or All Sites. Find the specific website you were trying to download from in this list, tap on it, and select Clear and Reset. This safely forces the website to forget your old corrupted session data. You will need to log back into the site one last time, but your file will now download successfully. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.